Alright, so welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, we're trying to see how to work with images in PDF. So in the previous crash course, we saw some very cool things we could do with PyPDF, how to rotate, how to split, so you can check those one out. Now let's see how to work with images. So how do you extract images from PDF? How do you convert images to PDF? So let's see with it. So to recap, this was what we saw. So you have your PyPDF, you have to first of all open your PDF file, then you can work with it. So in case you want to extract, we just have to read it and then extract, right? There's no need of writing and merging, only just reading. Okay, so let's go back again and check it out. So def, first of all, let's import it. So from PyPDF2, import PDF reader. And now let's create a function called extract PDF. So we want to extract images from PDF with passing my PDF path, the path to my PDF that I want to open and read. So it's going to be with open my PDF path read byte as F. Then I'm going to create my reader I'm going to use to read it, which is going to be my PDF reader, which is going to be my F. And now I've read it, so I want to extract all the images. So how do you get all the images from it? So that is the next thing. So I have to look through the entire stuff. So for the page number in the range, starting from the beginning to the last page. So starting from the reader dot page, right? So this is going to give us all the pages. It's going to loop through the entire stuff. Then I want to select the page. So go to pass the reader, then the particular page that I have. So pages, I'm going to pass in the page number. So this is useful. So we are looping through the entire stuff. We get the page that we want. Then when we get a page, I want to get the images in it. So a page can have multiple images, right? So we have to look through the images within the page. So for image file object in the select page, so let's call it a selected page, not select dot images, right? We want to get, so for image, every page has the option of getting images, right? So if there are images, it's going to fetch them out. Then I'm going to say that, okay, open it and write it out. Open the image file object name. So the reason is that if I go back here and I check this one out, this file has two images. This file behind the scene, this image, there is a metadata that is storing the actual name of this particular file, right, of this particular image. So you also want to get that particular image name. The same applies to this, right? So every image in a PDF has its actual name there, right? So that is what we are doing with this option, this object name. And then we want to use that one out to write it out. So as out, and now I can just go with my out.write. I can just go with my image file object data. So this is going to pick all the pixels, all the arrays, all the points, and then write it out. That is all, right? So if I say this particular function, I can just go back again and extract images from PDF. I pass in my ML, and now let's see. As you can see from here, there is no image here. But if I run this function, that's extracted all the images, and now instead we have my image 1, right, and then my image 2, right? Very cool. These are the actual images. So S5, S8, very cool, right? So that is something very cool that you have gotten, right? So it's using S to give it the name, right? Very nice. So that is how to extract all the images from a particular PDF. Now, how do you convert an image to a PDF? So let's say I have this image here. I want to convert this image into a PDF. How do I do that? So the simplest approach, so this is going to be the next option. How to convert an image to PDF. So there are several tools you can use to help you do that. There are several tools, but the simplest of them is to use Pillow, right? So it's going to be from Pillow, import images. So not images, image, yeah. So be using images, right, to convert it, an image to a PDF. So let's see how to do that. So I'll get a function called convert image to PDF. Going to pass in the file name, or the particular image file. Right, that is the basic understanding. And I can also give it the PDF name, so in case you want to give it a particular name, but you can keep it like that. Right, perfect. So now it's going to be my image. So the image that I have, right, which I'm going to open it. So image dot open, pass in the image file. Perfect. After opening the image, I need to do some conversion, right? So that is where the magic comes. So I want to convert that image to RGB, right? So I can call it as, you see, image that I have. I'm going to convert this, my image dot convert to RGB. Convert. So convert RGB, very good, green, blue. And now I will just save it. So image dot save, and this is where the magic comes, right? So now let's pick the name of the file. So let's go to file name. So we do the same thing, file name. So os.path.split extension, get the image file, get the last value, the first value, and then this is going to give us the file name itself. We want to use f-string, to get it here. Right, so this is going to give us the actual name, right? And I want to add .pdf to it, right? So .pdf. So this is going to give us the actual file name. Then I'll pass in the file name. So that is something very simple. So it's going to convert the extension, because this is PDF. It's going to convert it to PDF. So let's try it out and see. To convert to PDF, we want to use this one here. Hopefully it works. I've not tried it. So the name of the function was s8.pdf. Let's see. It's giving us an error. So the error is because of syntax error. I did not close it well. Now let's check it out. We have it. Hopefully it works. And now we have it as a PDF, right? Very, very cool. So that is all you have to do. You just use Pillow. You just open the particular file, you convert it, then you save it to that particular file. So I'm saving it as PDF, right? That is why it was able to work. Very cool. So you have seen how to extract images from PDF. You have seen how to convert image to PDF. So there are also other packages you can also use, but it is a very simple approach. So thank you for watching. See you another time. Stay blessed.